Bakit maraming tao na na-achieve naman nila yung goal na yumaman pero malungkot pa rin sila? Bakit ganon? Kasi hindi naman yun talaga ang pinaka-ultimate goal natin. Bawat isa sa atin, meron tayong vacuum. That vacuum can only be filled with a relationship with God. Yun yung makakapuno nun. Kasi if we don't fill that vacuum with the relationship with God, and we try to fill it with things, with popularity, with fame, with material things, it will never be filled. And material things will never be enough. It will not fill that vacuum. Kaya actually, kahit na ma-attain natin lahat yan, we will still feel empty. Kung meron tayong relationship with God and we have filled that vacuum with that relationship and we see to it, ang sentro natin si Lord, yung pagpapayaman natin, magiging satisfaction. It will be a fulfillment of whatever ability that God gave us, fulfillment of the expression of that ability. It will actually be a bonus already na nakakapagpayaman pa tayo despite the fact that yung tunay na yaman nakuha na natin. Pero sabihin mo, yung vacuum na yun hindi filled, and we try to fill it with things, we will never be satisfied. At the end of the day, baka ma-depress pa tayo. So fill it with the true wealth first, relationship with Jesus Christ. Then you will see everything you do will be meaningful. It will be purposeful. You'll be blessed, and you will be a channel of blessing.